Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to send XRP from Gemini to your Phantom Wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving so quickly, this guide will keep you ahead of the curve and make the process smooth and secure. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently from your phone or computer. First off, make sure you have both a Gemini account and a Phantom Wallet set up. If you don't, pause here and get that sorted. It's essential for what comes next. Once you're ready, log into your Gemini account and head to your dashboard. Locate your XRP balance to confirm how much you have available to transfer. Next, open your Phantom Wallet app or extension. This is where your XRP will end up, so double-check that it's connected to the right network. Remember, for XRP, we're talking about the XRP ledger. Copy your wallet's receiving address. It's that long string of letters and numbers, so be extra careful to avoid any typos. Now, jump back to Gemini. Go to the withdrawal section, select XRP as the asset, and paste in that Phantom Wallet address. Enter the amount you want to send, but don't forget to factor in any network fees. They can add up. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network details. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transfer should process quickly on the XRP ledger. Keep an eye on your Phantom Wallet to see when the XRP arrives. It might take a few minutes. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security in 2025's crypto world. And there you have it. That's how you send XRP from Gemini to Phantom Wallet. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.